My one friend invited me on SRSMP. It's a peaceful service that you can actually play with your friends inside the events and more. The end is now open, but during that event, some players is still not online, so I decided to wait until I have a great idea. Because my one best friend just woke up early, so I created the maze glitch. The maze glitch. This is from Judo about the maze that you can one-shot player just one stand still. Just stand still. Am I right? So I think this is good opportunity to troll your best friend. So I decided to test one testing player. Whose name was Akira, but she's not happy with it. Okay, it's gonna work. Okay, so why do I watching this one? Oh, it's very interesting. It is gonna work, bro. It is gonna work. Okay, let's see. Okay, can we break this one? Yeah, that's what it's. Now, it's the core. I'm stuck. Oh my god. Okay, now we have to, Yo. You trust me, bro. You just say just saw, bro. I have a thought. It's my glitch, bro. I have a plan, bro. I'm amazed, but I'm already amazed. This is oh my god, mali. Okay. If I hear a maze, ano damage? This glitch maze still works both in Java. So Korea, but I need to troll this guy. So let's get trolling. Dito sana sa Pro Master, bro. Wala ko in na. Balik ka dito. May paano pa kay chest. Walang chest dito eh. Hindi chest. Bora pumunta dyan doon. Ang haba eh. Ha? Yung ping natin okay na eh. Nasa Pro Master base ba? Yan din siya. Bro. Oh my god, why did you change your skin, bro? I get jump scared, bro. Oh my god, bro. Okay. Shout out to Jude Law. Shout to Jude Law, bro. Shout out to Jude Law, guys. I'm sure. Yeah, bro, let's go.